guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another spring little DIY from the Dollar Tree. You know how I love to frame gift bags and put them on top of my refrigerator. So when I hauled these gift bags, I thought that's exactly what I want on top of my refrigerator this spring. So I just got these bags, as you saw in my haul, and these are the backs of the bags. I've already cut the front out. And then I just got two picture frames that you saw me haul that are 8 by 10, and I spray painted them a color that I thought would work nicely with the bags, and it was the Gloss Ocean Mist from Rust-Oleum that I had bought at Walmart, that I had done the little bird cage on the for spring on top of the candle holders. So I really love how that's working out. So you're going to need you two 8 by 10 picture frames, a pencil, scissors, and some of this paint if that's what you want to make. And it's really easy to do. I've done this so many times, but I do have a lot of new subscribers, so I'll show you. All you have to do is just take the back out, and then what you want to do is lay this glass on top of your bag to figure out exactly what you want to cut out, and then just use it as a template and trace around it with your pencil. I mean, it's really easy. You just trace around it, and that's simple. And then naturally clean your glass, and then you just cut out your gift bag. I mean, this could not be any simpler. Let me put this down a little. Okay, and then you just put the gift bag down in there, and you press, and you just close these, and you have a customized picture that looks like you went somewhere else and bought it. You would never know that that is a Dollar Tree gift bag in there. I love how customizable these are. Let me put it up just a hair. I love how customizable these are to your decor. So that's done, and we only have one more, and this is really quick. I mean, these would be nice gifts, or if someone's in a dorm, they could even take posters and put posters in, cut out different things off the posters and put in picture frames. I mean, the possibilities are endless with it. You can change the colors, you can do anything with this. And here's this one. I just think they're lovely. I love how they turned out. They're so pretty, and they're so happy looking, and you would never know that these are Dollar Tree picture frames. So what I'm going to do is take this and put these on top of my refrigerator, and then I'll show you what they look like. I'll be right back. Okay, here they are sitting on top of my refrigerator. I just love how dimensional they look, because you can still see that butterfly and that bird looks like they could just come right off of there. And I also love the fact that they match my little bike that I keep on my refrigerator and the flowers. So I love the fact that I was able to just match that up. So like I said, these are so customizable. You can do it according to your decor or anyone else's decor, and then just spray paint the frames, and you have a custom picture frame. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.